B2650 off the trailer. It's got to go back to the dealer. There's a lot of stuff missing yet, but we have a mess behind me here. I'll pan over and show you. So I needed the machine while we're waiting for Kubota to get all the stuff that's ordered. Some pretty big stuff. But like I said, it is shocking how much power to the ground you get, or power to the wheels you get, compared to the going from the 25 horse or the B2650 to the 35 horse. This would have stalled the B2650, and it would have never spun a tire. It would have just shut off. Now this doesn't have rim guard yet. The B2650 did have rim guard, and we had a few hundred more pound off the back of it. But the way this feels right now, I'm sort of thinking, even with another 1,500 pounds added to it, it's going to spin out a lot stall. There's Angel. She wants to go chase all the boulders and blocks. There's Red. He's dumb. That is what's called the 72-inch light material bucket. It's 1/3 yard if level, and I can't remember what they say. Heat is like a little bit over a half yard. But look at that, just easing along, spinning the tires. She's got a lot of ass behind her. About an hour old now, so we're getting all the paint off the bucket real quick. Get that taken care of in the first hour or two. Painted buckets mean you don't need a tractor. You still got paint on it. Why do you own it? That's the abyss we're filling in. It goes down 40, 50 feet. And our driveway used to end at the end of the asphalt. Where I'm standing right now is, I don't know, I'm guessing 20, 25 feet in the air 2 years ago. So we've been taking fill like this for, I think this is our 3rd year. First 3 years were all to be 2650. I think we're gonna go about 2 more years here. I want to try to get another 20 feet out. I want to build a building out here someday, but I'm gonna have to give it time to settle in. And I think in the meantime, we've been talking about doing like carports and doing walls on 3 sides. That way, if we need to, we can lift them back up and re-peg them into the ground, let the ground settle, and then worry about later doing a real live building and insulate it and all that. fun fact, M&R Kubota told me that when we bring this back to get all the accessories put on it, they'll make sure it's washed and looking like new again. Little do they know, you can't make this look like new ever again. This gives my dad something to do though. He really enjoys playing around on the tractor, pushing dirt and rocks around. Better than sitting in the house with my mom watching talk shows. She's light in the rear end, there's no doubt, man. These things, this 3560 definitely needs rim guard if you're using a loader. This 805 loader has no problem. If you grab a load with more to one side than the other, and you got a stuck rock or something in there, you can use the curl function and literally jerk the rear end up and down, banging it off the ground as fast as you want to beat that lever. So it has like enough hydraulic pressure. Luckily, my dad, he's not big into using that curl function when he's digging like this. He likes to just do the lift until it stalls and then back up a little bit and try again.